Hi Veggie Fit families, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. Well, this month I bring you two Veggie Fit kids. They're sisters that live in Washington State, Marielle and Elianna, and they have some adorable things to share with us. So I hope that you enjoy and that you are inspired by these two little girls. Okay, I am here today with Marielle. Marielle, how old are you?
6.
Elianna, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
And why do you consider yourself a Veggie Fit kid?
Because a lot of families, even that are not vegan, eat like all sorts of junk food like Oreos and pretzels. And that's only naming a few. And we don't normally have that sort of stuff.
Well, 'cause I don't eat meat, and my mom and dad say it's healthy for me, so I just don't eat it.
Uh-huh. And what is your way of eating called? What do you call yourself?
A vegan.
A vegan.
Vegan.
And why do you eat a vegan diet?
Well, because all living creatures, except plants, are animals. And so why are people valued above all others? So it's just not right that we like drink their milk and eat their eggs and actually eat them.
Well, you can make lots of good food without being mean to animals.
What do you think is the hardest part about being vegan?
Well, there's some really good stuff that it's hard not to eat.
Mm-hmm. Like what?
Say there's a cookie that has eggs in it, and you really wanted it.
Definitely that outside the house, there's a lot of yummy foods that we can't eat just because we're vegan.
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite treat that your mom makes?
Well, there's a bunch, but this is actually one that both my mom and my dad make. It's pudding with my mom's cashew cream and brownies.
Yummy.
It's really good.
That's very delicious.
It's a hard decision because she makes a lot of good treats.
She makes a lot of good treats. Like tonight we had some brownies, black bean brownies. Weren't they yummy?
Yeah.
What would you tell another kid that wants to go vegan? What advice do you have for them?
Well, if they want to learn about it, they could check out a book from a library or go online.
Mm-hmm.
And they would ask their parents.
So talk to their parents about it. Is there a book that you would recommend?
Well, I have a book called We're Vegan.
Mm-hmm.
It's about what vegans do and what they don't eat, and it says it doesn't matter what they look like. They can still be vegan.
Nice. That sounds beautiful.
So I wrote this magazine with a lot of ideas to change the world.
Uh-huh.
I did this one article in the magazine that I did about being vegan.
Okay, let's hear it.
You can change the world hugely just by going vegan. When you eat animal products, it kills your body more and more, which makes you get sick. If you go vegan, the animals will go back to their natural food chain and life cycle. You should try vegan recipes, which are really easy to make and taste really good. If you go vegetarian, it also helps the world a lot, but it isn't as good as going vegan. Milk is as bad, if not worse, than meat, so stop drinking it and drink vegan milk, like almond milk or soy milk. And try to change the world by going vegan or vegetarian. Good luck.
That's beautiful. Thank you for reading that, Elianna.
You're welcome.
What advice do you have for parents of kids that want to go vegan?
Probably the same thing, except except it's good to raise your kids vegan because then they don't have any trouble when they're older. So it's a lot harder for older people and adults to change than kids.
So basically start young because it's a little bit easier to change habits when they're young.
Yeah, because you're more open-minded.
My mom goes online and she finds out recipes, and she goes on online company called Clean Food Dirty Go. There's a lot of good food on that one.
Oh, and then she finds recipes and tips and things like that.
Yeah.
It makes you lots of yummy food.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about these two Veggie Fit kids. If you liked it, please give me a like, comment below so you can support these fabulous girls, and please share. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a plantastic day.
Have a fantastic day.
Have a fantastic day.
Because I know how they feel. They're stressed out. They think, okay, this is hard enough. I have a child with special needs. I feel like I'm working all the time. It's really stressful. They probably also experience some depression around this because it's a chronic condition.
Yeah.
Where can they start?
They can start with just trying that one new food. Add it to their plate. Cucumbers is a great place to start if they're not eating that. Fruit, any plant, fruit or vegetable, start there. And then just have it on their plate. Incentives worked wonderful for Riley. He loves popsicles and soda water, flavored soda water. That was a goal. Okay, if you want your soda water on Friday, you gotta, have these new foods on your plate and to earn that. He loves tea at night.